Get your ass out here!
The one we have shot is the security guard. He was shooting back at us. We do not have an other suspect.
A gunman was waiting, and officers walked straight into an ambush. On April 25th, 2026, Houston police officers responded to a report of a shooting in progress at a Sam's Club located in the 13,600 block of East Freeway in Houston, Texas. As officers approached the building, they discovered a rear fire exit standing open. After announcing their presence, they cautiously entered the business. Within moments, they came under gunfire from a suspect concealed inside an office area. We will now go to Officer 1's body-worn camera perspective.
Houston police!
Go ahead. Go ahead. I got you. 46 Frank. We just announced ourselves at the open door, and we're hearing gunshots inside the Sam's Club.
Houston police, come out!
Stay back, don't just hold it to that.
Come over here. You're in front of the door.
There's something fine. Get your hand. Take care of business.
Okay.
What door are you guys in?
What is this? Northeast side? Yeah, see what you can see.
We're on the west side.
Houston, please! Houston, please! Make yourself known! Where are you at?
Here.
Houston, please! Houston, please! Houston, police! Come out! Stand up! I got a window right here. Window right here that's shattered. Houston, please! Where are you at? I don't want to do this. Come on. Come out of that room. Put your hands up. Houston, please. Is anybody down? Anybody need help? I'm hearing noise in this room. All right, we gotta clear this room. Yep, somebody watch my alarm. Watch your alarm. Door's still shut. Somebody.
All right.
Houston, please. Who's in there?
Come out!
Hey, hey, you right there! I see you! Get your ass out here! Come up on your right. I got a guy behind the printer. He's on the right side. Come on with your hands up! Come on with your hands up! Hey, you! Don't you do that stupid shit, man!
Where's he at? Where's he at?
He's behind the printer right here in front. He's right here through the Oh, man. You okay?
Yeah. Security, come out!
Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands!
Come out with your hands up!
Let me see your hands! Where you at? Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! I think the room's...
He's right here, he's right here.
I'm gonna kick it. Can we kick it?
Yeah, he's got a shot. It's really hard to kick that door, yo, man.
Guns on the ground. Guns on the ground?
Yo, let me see your hands. Security guard.
You okay? Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. What are you doing? Grab him. I got him. I'm gonna pull him out. I'm pulling him out. Where's the gun? Got one person. Go get me some gloves. Give me some more gloves. Do me a favor. Pull that vest off of him. Yeah, he was shooting at us.
Before we go to body-worn camera footage from a different angle, let's discuss the tactical challenges officers faced during this incident. Officers responded to an active shooter call, but the suspect was also wearing what appeared to be a security guard's uniform, adding another layer of uncertainty to an already dangerous situation. As officers entered the unfamiliar building, the suspect already had the advantage of concealment, cover, and a clear view of the entry point. Crossing the threshold left officers exposed, forcing them to quickly identify the source of the gunfire, return fire, and move toward the threat, all within seconds. Once the suspect was no longer a threat, officers immediately transitioned from using force to providing medical aid. We will now move to another officer's body-worn camera to view this incident from a different perspective.
We're on the west side at the back.
Houston, please!
Oh, dude, show me arriving out here now.
Houston, please! Make yourself known! Where are you at?
Over here.
Houston, please! Houston, please!
Watch the crossfire, watch the crossfire.
Police, come out! Get your hands up! We got a window right here. A window right here in the shutter. Houston, please! Where are you at? I don't want to do this. Come on!
Okay, we've got bullet holes up in these.
Come out of that room! Put your hands up! Houston, please! Is anybody down? Anybody need help? I'm hearing noise in this room.
We need additional units that surround the building. Whoever comes out here needs to go to the east side of the building, and we need a unit to the front.
We gotta clear this room.
Easy one foreman route.
I've got this side.
No still here.
Door's still shut.
Units available here. Come make it this way.
See somebody?
All right.
Houston, please! Who's in there? Come out, hey, hands up! Hey, you right there! I see you! Get your ass out here! I'm gonna come up on your right. I got a guy behind the He's on the right side. Come on with your hands up! Come on with your hands up! Hey, you! Don't you do that stupid shit, man!
Where's he at? Where's he at?
He's come out with your hands up! Right here in front. He's right here. Hey, stop shooting! It's security! Security, come out with your hands up!
Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands!
Come out with your hands up!
Let me see your hands! Where you at? Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! He's right here, he's right here. Watch out, watch out. Yeah, he's got a shot.
It's gonna be hard to kick that door, you man.
Yeah, guns on the ground. Now let me see your hands. There's a security guard.
That's why I was trying to call out security.
You okay?
9C10, we do need HFD. We have one shot.
Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. What are you doing?
I got one. Where's the gun?
Where's your gun?
It's right there. The gun's down. We got one hurt.
We need.
Just tell me where he's at.
We did the west side of the building by the gas pumps. Hey, was he shooting?
He was shooting at us,
He was
yes.
shooting at us.
Okay. I'm gonna go get a first aid kit.
I got chest seals. Let's get this shit off. Anybody got cheers? Go ahead. I got you. Hey man, stay awake. Stay awake.
Got knives on anybody?
Anybody got a chest seal?
Do we have the suspect in custody?
One gunshot.
The one we have shot is the security guard. He was shooting back at us. We do not have another suspect.
Despite immediate medical aid provided by officers and responding emergency medical personnel, the suspect was pronounced deceased. Investigators later determined the suspect had stolen a security guard's uniform and equipment and was not employed by the security company. Under Texas law, peace officers may use deadly force when it is immediately necessary to protect themselves or others from the use or attempted use of deadly force. After reviewing the evidence, the officers' actions were determined to be legally justified. This is Texas Safety Watch, where we break down what legally matters, what tactically matters, and the lessons that can be learned from critical incidents across the country. Until next time, stay aware, stay safe, and God bless. We'll see you in the next case.